Hey, my lovely students, I'm so happy you're here with me today. In this lesson, we're going to talk about something really exciting, how to make new friends in English. Yes, I know. Sometimes it can feel scary, but trust me, with the right phrases and a little bit of practice, you'll feel more confident and ready to connect with new people. So, let's begin. First phrase. Hi, my name is Mia. This is the most basic and friendly way to introduce yourself. You can smile and say, Hi, my name is, and add your name. Let's try together. Hi, my name is. Great. That's your first step. Next. Phrase, what's your name? After you introduce yourself, it's polite to ask the other person's name. Repeat after me. What's your name? Easy, right? Now you've already started a conversation. Now let's connect deeper. Try saying, nice to meet you. This is something we always say when we meet someone for the first time. Say it with a smile. Nice to meet you. You can also say, it's nice to meet you. Okay, now let's learn how to ask where someone is from. Say this, where are you from? This is a great question because people love talking about where they come from. You can answer with, I'm from Italy, or I'm from Brazil. Now you try, I'm from. Next question, how long have you lived here? This is useful if someone lives in the same city as you. Say it slowly with me. How long have you lived here? You might hear answers like, I've lived here for 2 years, or I just moved here last month. Another useful question is, what do you do? This means, what is your job, or are you a student? Say it with me. What do you do? You can answer with, I'm a student, or I work in a cafe. Let's keep the conversation going with this one. What do you like to do in your free time? This question helps you find things in common. Say it with me. What do you like to do in your free time? You can answer, I like reading, or I love playing football, or I enjoy listening to music. Now it's your turn. Think of your answer and say it out loud. Here's a great phrase to show interest. That's cool. When someone tells you something interesting, you can say, that's cool. It's short, friendly, and makes the other person feel good. Try it. That's cool. And when you don't understand something, you can say, sorry, can you say that again? Or can you speak a little slower, please? These are very helpful when you're still learning. Let's try them together. To end the conversation, you can say, it was nice talking to you, or hope to see you again soon. These phrases show that you enjoyed the conversation. Amazing job, my lovely students. You just learned real English that you can use to make new friends anywhere in the world. Remember, don't wait until your English is perfect. Speak now, practice now, connect now. The more you talk, the more confident you'll become. Make sure to watch this video again and repeat the phrases out loud with me. Repetition is the key. And don't forget, we have full playlists ready for you to listen and practice every single day. So like this video, leave a comment below. And of course, subscribe if you haven't already. I'm so proud of you. You're not just learning English, you're building real life skills. Keep going, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.